In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website with Go High Level. We'll walk through the basic setup together so you can get a clean, functional site up and running, even if you're just starting out with the platform. Make sure you're logged into your Go High Level account and you're in the correct location or workspace before we begin. First, look at the main menu on the left side of your Go High Level dashboard. Find the option labeled Sites and click on it. This is the section where all of your websites and funnels live, and it's where you'll manage everything related to your pages. Once you're inside the Sites area, you'll see different tabs or options. Go ahead and click on Websites. This filters the view so you're only looking at your websites, not funnels or other types of pages. If this is your first time here, the list may be empty, and that's completely fine. Next, we're going to create a new website. Look for a button that says New Website and click on it. This is the starting point for building anything new in this section. Clicking this opens up a prompt that asks how you want to create your site. Here, you'll see the choice to build from new templates or start with a blank site. If you're new to Go High Level or you want something quick and professional, using a template is usually the best option. Templates give you a pre-built structure with sections like headers, content blocks, and footers already laid out. If you're more advanced or want full creative control, choose a blank site so you can design every part from scratch. After you've decided whether you're using a template or a blank layout, click on the Continue button. This confirms your choice and moves you to the next step in the setup process. Take a moment here to be sure you've selected the option that best fits your needs, because it will shape how much design work you'll do later. If you chose to create your website from a template, you will now see a gallery of different designs. Browse through the available options and find one that matches your business style or goal. When you've found the one you like, click on Choose Template. This will load that design into your account, ready for you to customize with your own text, images, and branding. And that's it for the initial setup. You've now created a new website in Go High Level and selected how you want it to look.